Okay, so question 1, it's asked you to write down the possible codes from this door lock. So let's begin with the first one, which is A1. So we know that it's a letter followed by a number. So we could have also had A2, A3, and finally A4. Or similarly, we could have started with B, we could have got a 1, 2, 3, or 4. We've now listed all of the outcomes. So in our next question, it tells us that we've got 2 arrows which are spun. So we know that it could be a 1 with the colour blue, 1 with the colour red, or 2 with the colour blue, 2 with the colour red, or finally 3 with the colour blue and 3 with the colour red. So question 3 tells you that she's going to pull out 2 coins at random and she has the following coins in her pocket. So before we answer part A, we're actually going to list all the combinations. So if she pulled out a 10p coin, she could then pick out a 1p, a 50p, a 2p, and finally a 20p. Because it's said she wants the different combinations of pairs of coins, we're not going to do the reversal of 10 and 1. So 10 and 1 is the same as picking a 1 and then a 10. So now we're going to pick out a 1 with a 50, 1 with a 2, 1 with a 20. Then if we picked a 50, we could pick that with a 2, with a 20, and finally if we picked out a 2p coin, that could be picked with a 20. Obviously all of these need pennies in your answer on Mathswatch to make sure that it's submitted correctly. So then we can count up how many different combinations we've got and the answer would be 10. So having a look at this next question, we know that the cards can either be red or black, and then that it can be a hearts, diamond, clubs or spade. So again we're going to list the combinations and that will help us with our part A. So we could have a red hearts or a black hearts. We could have a red spade or a black spade. We could have a red diamond or a black diamond. And then finally we could have a red club or a black club. That tells us that we have 8 different combinations. Our final question is having a look at what sandwich he could make. So he could make it as a wrap with cheese and mayonnaise, or he could have a wrap with cheese and ketchup, or he could have a wrap with turkey and mayonnaise, or a wrap with turkey and ketchup. Or he could have a baguette with cheese and mayonnaise, a baguette with cheese and ketchup, or you could have a baguette with turkey and mayonnaise, or a baguette with turkey and ketchup. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different combinations there. Then says, what fraction of the possible types have turkey and ketchup? Well, let's highlight the ones with turkey and ketchup. So we've got the wrap with turkey and ketchup, and then the baguette with turkey and ketchup. So there's a total of 2 out of 8, or 1/4.